Weird sounds with me and Luke.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. I save it first. Just wait.
Nope.
No! No. No, you can't eat it. You can't eat it. Stop trying to eat it. No.
Try to do that charm.
Mosh pit.
You have to try. You want to try it with one? I'm scared to for some reason. You did it a little bit.
Look.